Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger emoji. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Playstore and make sure that Messenger is up to date. If this does not solve your problem, then download a third-party app. Open Play Store and type Gboard on the search bar. And tap Install. Once it has been downloaded, open the app. Tap Enable in Settings. Toggle it on to grant permission. And tap OK to confirm. Now tap Select Input Method. And select Gboard. Tap Done. Then open Messenger and use the Gboard emoji. And that's how you fix Messenger emoji. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.